In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix black screen in Red Dead Redemption 2. So first thing you want to do is go here and type in settings. Go to gaming settings. So here you'll see game mode settings. Make sure you turn on game mode. Next thing, you want to go here, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator. And here you want to fix issues that has to do with the DISM. So write down this command, DISM online cleanup image restore health, and press enter. And then you want to flush the DNS, so ipconfig flush DNS. And lastly, do a quick scan, so sfc/scan now. This might take a few minutes, but once it's done, you can close this down. Now you want to check if there's any errors with your display drivers. So if you go to display adapters, you'll see your graphics cards, so make sure you always update them. So click update, and here you will be able to update them. Click next, and this will update them. And after that, you want to go here and close this down. Now inside the game, you want to make sure you don't have the graphics and the ratio set to a different one than your screen. So if your screen is 780 by 1020 or whatever, then you want to make sure you have the same ratio settings on your screen. So mine is 1080, so that's what I set it to. If you have it to different settings, then it might be the reason it's getting a black screen. Now, next thing I recommend doing is to run the game in compatibility mode. So when you launch Epic Games, you would right click, then go to properties, go to compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode, and then you want to disable full screen optimization. So you click apply and OK. So if you find the game here, so for example, if you find like search for Red Dead Redemption, you would want to do the same thing to it. So I would show an example. For example, for Valorant, you can do the same thing. So I'm going to show an example with Roblox player and you can do the exact same steps for your Red Dead Redemption 2 game. So what you would do is you would write Red Dead Redemption. So here I would do, for example, just Roblox as an example. Right click, open file location, and once you see a player or .exe folder, you would just right click, then properties, and then compatibility mode, run as in compatibility mode, and disable full screen optimization. Click apply and OK. So you would do this to the .exe Red Dead Redemption folder, and this should fix your issue.